Every year, the global real estate market processes about $4 trillion worth of property deals. That's massive. But here's the problem. Around 68% of home buyers say the buying process feels slow and confusing. So why do some real estate apps succeed while many others disappear? That's exactly what we're going to break down in this video. And if you're planning to launch a real estate app in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through how a complete real estate platform works. You'll learn what users see inside the app, what happens in the back end, how AI improves the platform, and what it costs to build one. Here's the reality. Almost 90% of real estate tech startups fail, and the reason is simple. Most platforms make three major mistakes. The first problem is poor property discovery. When users open a property app, they are often overwhelmed with thousands of listings, complicated filters, and endless scrolling. Finding the right property becomes frustrating. This is where AI-powered systems help. The platform can recommend properties based on user lifestyle, interests, and past behavior. Users can even search homes using photos or images. Predictive algorithms learn what buyers prefer and show better property matches over time. The second challenge is lack of trust in property platforms. Buyers often discover extra costs at the final stage. Property photos sometimes make homes look better than they really are. Fake or outdated listings can waste buyers' time, and unverified agents increase the risk for buyers. Because of this, users often don't know which listings or agents they can trust. AI can help solve this problem. AI-based valuation tools can estimate accurate property prices using market data. Virtual staging shows how the property could look with furniture and design. Document verification helps prevent fraud and fake transactions. Verified listings and agents create confidence for buyers from the start. The third challenge is limited property experience. Buyers still need to visit multiple properties in person. On average, buyers inspect 8 to 10 homes before making a decision. This process can take several months. Many buyers also struggle to imagine how the space will actually look. As a result, they often visit homes that don't fit their needs. AI can change this. With AI-powered virtual tours, buyers can explore homes remotely. Augmented reality staging helps visualize furniture layouts and interior styles. 3D walkthroughs allow users to experience the property without traveling to the location. So why is 2026 the perfect time to launch a real estate platform? The first reason is huge gaps in the current market. Around 65 to 70% of buyers say the process is stressful and confusing. Most buyers spend 3 to 4 months searching for the right property. First-time buyers especially need better guidance and smarter tools. Commercial real estate still lacks strong digital platforms, and many existing mobile apps provide poor user experiences. All of these gaps create opportunities for new platforms. Another reason is changing user behavior. Today, 97% of buyers start their home search online. They expect virtual tours before visiting properties. They want quick answers and instant information. They need smart digital tools, not just simple property listing websites. So what does a modern real estate app look like? Users see selected properties and smart suggestions. The system learns user interests, budget, and preferred locations. Buyers can instantly see price, photos, property details, and AI price estimates. The platform highlights verified properties and verified agents. Users can explore homes through virtual tours and 3D views. An AI assistant answers user questions instantly, and users can save properties and contact agents directly. At NetMaxims, we have helped more than 200 founders build AI-powered products. Our team can design and launch a real estate platform in about 45 days. We also provide a custom technology setup tailored to your platform. If you're serious about building your own real estate app, you can schedule a free consultation with our experts at NetMaxims today.